Imagine for a moment a smartwatch so revolutionary that it casts the Apple Watch into the shadows of the everyday and leaves Samsung's Galaxy Watch trailing in the dust of yesterday. This isn't merely a device that syncs with your smartphone. It's one that resonates with your personal flair, your unyielding drive, and the essence of who you are, far beyond a simple accessory. It's an emblem of exquisite mastery. Step into the dawn of opulent wearables with the TAG Heuer Calibre E5, the pinnacle of timepieces that reshapes our very understanding of wearing the hours. What do you think? Could this be the game changer your wrist has been waiting for? Drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts on luxury tech like this. When the name TAG Heuer echoes in your mind, it's impossible not to conjure images of Swiss ingenuity, enduring aesthetics, and masterful artistry. For over 160 years, this iconic house has embodied excellence in every tick and tock, from the roar of Formula One circuits to the glamour of Hollywood premieres. TAG Heuer has always transcended mere timekeeping. It's captured the spirit of audacity, self-assurance, and enduring narrative. Each creation pulses with that hallmark vibe, daring yet refined, mechanical in its soul, and elegantly poised. As eras shifted, so did our expectations. Timepieces evolved from silent sentinels into vibrant allies, weaving us into the digital tapestry with health insights, seamless connectivity, and rhythms attuned to our daily pulse. While fellow Heuer Marquez paused at the edge of this tech frontier, TAG Heuer charged ahead with fearless conviction, birthing the connected line, a harmonious marriage of horological grandeur and cutting-edge smarts. Those initial connected iterations were visual stunners, exuding the same magnetic allure that defines the brand. Yet, truth be told, they leaned heavier on allure than on prowess. With humble innards and restrained features, they dazzled the eye but couldn't quite rival the velocity or savvy of rivals like Apple or Samsung. Devoted fans cherish the sophistication, but their hearts yearn for amplified might, superior execution, and trailblazing edge. And now, it feels like TAG Heuer has truly tuned into that call. Behold the TAG Heuer Calibre E5, a horological marvel not content to merely vie for the throne, but poised to claim it outright. This goes beyond refinement. It's a profound metamorphosis. Whispers from the inner circles, fleeting glimpses, and hushed speculations all point to one inevitability. TAG Heuer is on the cusp of commanding the realm of elite smartwatches. The Calibre E5 transcends aesthetics alone, forging a bold new narrative where ancestral wisdom collides with tomorrow's ingenuity. At its core beats a transformative force, the Snapdragon W5 Gen 2 chipset. You might shrug at the tech jargon, but lean in. This is a seismic leap, akin to trading a reliable sedan for a sleek electric hypercar. Prior Calibre editions relied on the Snapdragon 4100 Plus, a solid performer forged on a 12-nanometer architecture that invited warmth, sapped energy, and skimped on finesse. Enter the W5 Gen 2, etched on a razor-sharp 4-nanometer scale. Compact, lightning-quick, and intuitively sharp. Picture fluid transitions between screens, apps that ignite in a blink, endurance that stretches through your busiest days, and reactions so swift they feel prescient. Envision charting runs via GPS, logging every rep in your routine, fielding alerts on the fly, and still greeting sunset with ample charge. The Calibre E5 isn't merely potent. It's astutely thrifty, maintaining composure under pressure, gliding without a hitch, and outlasting its predecessors with graceful poise. For the first time, a pinnacle smartwatch doesn't just gleam with prestige. It delivers with the authority it promises. And the forward gaze? The Calibre E5 is engineered for horizons yet unseen, embracing tomorrow's networks like potential satellite links for off-grid SOS signals or wayfinding sans cellular tether. TAG Heuer hasn't locked in activation for day one, but the mere capability whispers volumes. This isn't a relic for now. It's a beacon for what's next. Yet the real alchemy unfolds on the surface, where TAG Heuer has reportedly allied with AU Optronics to infuse micro-LED wizardry into its arsenal. Let's demystify. Today's elite smartwatches flaunt OLED panels, stunning with their inky voids, razor contrast, and electric hues, yet prone to fading vigor and ghostly afterimages over seasons. Micro-LED shatters those chains with minuscule, resilient beacons of light, eternal brilliance, amplified glow, and sipping power like fine wine. The payoff? A canvas so luminous and lifelike, it pulses with vitality. Scuttlebutt pegs a Calibre E5 as staggering 4,500 nits of peak luminosity, brighter than the sun-kissed displays of even Apple's rugged Ultra-Kin. From midday marathons under relentless skies to alpine descents through powder, every glance reveals unyielding clarity and crystalline detail. In the world of lavish timepieces, legibility is paramount, and here it reigns supreme. Now, to the heartstring puller. Design, the eternal pulse of every Tag Heuer. The moment your fingers graze one, sensation precedes sight, that reassuring heft, the impeccable equilibrium, the mirror-like sheen. The Calibre E5 inherits this lineage unflinchingly. Fortified sapphire dome, lustrous steel hull, and a bezel that arcs with mechanical poetry. The knurled crown yields under touch like a whispered secret. The chronograph buttons snap with precision. The contours flow as if breathed into form. Tag Heuer grasps a truth that silicon giants often miss. True elegance isn't tallied in benchmarks, it's savored in the subtleties. Slated in variants from featherlight titanium to resilient ceramic, each iteration marries durability to delicacy. With every graze, pivot, and glint, you're reminded this transcends gadgetry. It's a Swiss-forged chronicle of time, incidentally brilliant. But artistry without acuity is hollow, and that's where OS 5 sweeps in like a maestro. Fueled by Google's freshest orchestration, it delivers silken gestures, hairpin reflexes, shrewd energy husbandry, and profound ties to the ecosystem. Assistant at your beckon, maps charting your path, wallet unlocking doors, all humming with newfound haste. Paired with a W5 Gen 2's thrift and micro-LED's restraint, anticipate 2 to 3 days of unwavering companionship per charge, virtually twice the stamina of its luxury peers. Ponder that liberty. Evenings unburdened by plugs, middays free from dwindling dread. Tailored for the trailblazer in the gym, the globetrotter on the move, the executive sealing deals. The Calibre E5 liberates without concession. It's this ethos that elevates Tag Heuer above the fray. Where Apple, Samsung, or Google blueprint from circuits outward, draping fashion as an afterthought, Tag Heuer inverts the canvas. Heritage first, form as foundation, then tech as exquisite overlay. Thus, the Calibre E5 defies categorization as yet another smartwatch. It's a Swiss sentinel, serendipitously sentient. Every fastener, facet, and crown's cadence feels deliberate, polished, alive with intent. Tag Heuer doesn't peddle circuits. They proffer provenance. This guardian doesn't supplant your lifeline. It amplifies your saga. Be it pulse-pacing pursuits, mid-stride summons, urban odysseys, or a quiet hour's query, the interplay unfolds organically, soulfully infused. Naturally, such splendor commands tribute. The Calibre E5 eyes an entry at around $1,800, cresting toward $2,200 with bespoke accents and alloys. Steep? Perhaps, but recalibrate. You're not acquiring silicon and straps. You're claiming Swiss sorcery, peerless alloys, and a legacy spanning generations, alchemized with Vanguard spark. Not expenditure, but endowment and eternal poise. On the horizon, murmurs suggest a grand debut spanning late 2024 into early 2025, perhaps electrifying CES or the Watches and Wonder Salon. True to form, expect not a mere debut, but symphonic spectacle. Tag Heuer doesn't unveil, they orchestrate epics. Ultimately, the Calibre E5 embodies a grander odyssey than novelty alone. The sublime alchemy of lineage and luminosity, where analog heartbeat syncs with algorithmic grace. No longer shadowing titans like Apple or Samsung, Tag Heuer charts the vanguard. With Snapdragon W5 Gen 2 Surge, micro-LED's radiance, where OS 5's wisdom and that indelible Swiss silhouette. This may crown the most holistic smartwatch in existence. The Calibre E5 doesn't aspire to tomorrow. It embodies it, coiled about your pulse. A opus that weds yesterday's craft with tomorrow's code so fluidly, the binary fades to irrelevance. It's no mere chronometer. It's time zone uprising. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.